Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for your love, for subscribing and commenting on my videos. Today's look is this gold inspired makeup look using the Dior holiday collection. I used this eyeshadow from the holiday collection and the highlighter also. I got this product from work and I decided to work on a video and share with you guys on what I think of this product. This look is a vibe, so I'm sorry if you guys think I'm staring at myself, but if you want to know how I got this look and what I think of this collection, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe at the end of the video. So I already concealed my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and this is the shade NW40, and I set that with the Zaron compact finishing powder, which looks like a white powder. So next thing I'm gonna do is just add some color in my crease, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette with the electric palette. I'm going to be choosing some colors from both of them, and I'm going to be using my blending brush. I'm using the Makeup Addiction brush. This is a really old brush, so I'm just going to be using that yellow color that I really like from the Huda Beauty palette with an orange. Ooh. So the idea behind this look is to really focus on my eyes. So I'm going to be doing a lot of colors in my crease. So from this palette, I'm using this brown color and this orange one to just dip in my crease. So next thing I'm going to do is take my eyeshadow primer, and of course I'm using the Ben 9 Clown White. This is the only primer I use. I always say that in every video. So I can't find a brush to apply with, and I'm just going to use my finger. So from the Dior palette, this is the Midnight Wish in 617 Lucky Star, and I'm just going to be taking this color and working my crease. I'm going to be using the really light gold one first. This palette has a lot of fallout, like I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna take this dark brown shade at the inside the palette, and I'm just gonna use that to deepen this look a little bit. With my blending brush, I'm just gonna take that same brown color. I'm not getting a lot. So for some reason this color isn't popping the crease. So I'm going to go back to my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take that dark brown, that really nice chocolate brown, and just smudge it. Yep, that looks like it. As usual for my eyeliner today, I'm using my Mabrook eyeliner in black. And I'm just gonna line my eyes and create like a very... Should we do a wing? Yes, I think I'm gonna do a wing today. For mascara, I'm going to be taking my Zaron Lengthening Mascara in black, and I'm just going to use that to coat all over my lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be wearing the Ravagri Date Night lashes I've been wearing in my last few videos. For some reason, this is the only lash I have. So lashes are done. I'm going to do the rest of my face. If you can see around my nose, you can see that the shadow did have some fallout. Like I have like glitters all over my nose. So I'm just gonna clean that up and just apply my primer and foundation. Primer is not new to you guys. It's the Dior Capture Total. I love how this primer just blows out my pores. Like I can hardly see my pores. Today's foundation, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha, and I'll be using the NYX brush also. To highlight under my eyes, I'm going to be using the same concealer I used earlier, which is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm going to be using my Nuban Beauty sponge to apply this and just I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup powder to set under my eyes, and I'm just gonna bake it because this is a lot of concealer. And to set the rest of my face, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Please recommend any powder you think I should use. Otherwise, I'm going to keep using this powder and my Zaron powder, of course. And for my brush today, I'm using the Sephora Pro powder brush. I look white. To contour my face today, I'm going to be using this color here. This is from a palette I had from way back. And I'm just going to contour with the, I know this is a Morphe brush, but I can't find the number. For blush, I'll be using my Juvia's Place palette, and I'll be using this orange and plum shades as my blush. So I'm going to do my highlight and then go back to my eyes, if that's okay with you guys. If it's not, let me know. And I'm going to be using the Dior Midnight Wish highlighter. I love this highlighter. Back when we were in training school for like this collection, when I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. And I'm just going to highlight. Oh my god. Fam. So for my inner corner highlight today, I'm gonna use, I can't find the color to use. So let's use this really silvery color here in the Lucky Star palette, and I haven't tried this, so I don't know what it looks like. okay, I can work with that. To line my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Jordana Easy Liner pencil. I haven't used this pencil in a long time, and it's a blue shade. I just wanted to add a pop of color. And I'm going to be smudging it on my waterline, if you can see what I'm doing there. So that is looking pretty nice. So let me just add small drama to it. Since I put like blue liner in my eyes, I'm gonna take this really nice blue here from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I think this is a teal, and I'm just gonna pop that under my eyes. What do you think? I'm feeling it. It's official. I'm feeling it. So I'm just gonna dust my face. I'm gonna reduce this powderiness with the Zaron Maxi Blend powder, and I'm just gonna use that to dust the under eye powder and everything. Ooh, sugar fly. Okay, so let me take off my headband and then powder this on my face. Damn, these edges though, where they at? So for lips today, I'm gonna be using something totally different. I'm gonna be using the Debbie Luster Ultra Matte Lip Stains. This is in the shade Bow or Bow, and this is in the shade Bubblegum. Debbie Luster, if you don't know, is a Nigerian brand based in Abuja. So I'm gonna use the Bow to line my lips. And then I'm gonna use the Bubblegum shade inside. I know it looks like what I usually wear, but I'm such a nude person. I'm always inclined towards pinky nudes and nude shades. So please excuse me if you think my lipstick looks the same. I think it just balances the look. So today I'm going to be using gloss on my lips, and I'm going to be using the MAC lip gloss in the shade See Through. It's a nude lip gloss or lip gloss, and I'm just going to use that on my lips. Okay, so guys, here's the finished look. What do you guys think? Personally, I love the look, but I work with Dior, so I'm open to actually express what I like and not like about the palette. So personally, this shade, I love this shade. When we went to school for this, I was totally in awe of that middle shade, but then I noticed that it has a lot of fallout. It doesn't stop me from loving it, but I just need you guys to know that it does fall out, but it doesn't change how I feel about this eyeshadow. I totally am in love with it. And then the highlighter, oh my god, fam, this highlighter had me from the get-go, so I can't say anything not nice about it. So that's today's video. I think I should add a little more highlighter, just so that the devil will be upset, because you know how they don't want the children of God to shine. So what do you guys think of this look? And Let me know in the comments below what you think and if you like it. I'm thinking of doing another gold inspired makeup look really soon. So that concludes today's video. What do you think of this look? If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also look out for my next videos coming out really soon. Bye guys.